Abarikushughanisa emirimo y'okutoorana Miss Tourism omu ihanga batandikire ihuriro y'okutoorana abarajwekera ebyanga omu mpaka z'ihanga.
Kandi k'okuzaara Miss Tourism Ankole nikiba nikimanyisa ngu n'omuri Nkole hariyo abantu abakazi abakyara abaana abakaikuru woriyo omukazi nikiba nikimanyisa ngu ba representatives banyu abakubamanyisa ngu obutourism hiine omurimo ogumukukora. Nicyo egyo Miss Tourism ahi yatandikire konka ikatandikira omu mahanga ga Malaysia. Amahanga gandi niga celebrating 75 years. Ito Uganda we are 14 years.
Most of the questions I think will be about the Isiolo districts. We have a lot that we offer in tourism, and if you have studied about history, we've already studied about Ushruje's cave. If you've heard about that, it is in Isiolo. It is a very big cave full of historical stories. Now, research about that. You never know. It might be one of the things where you will have to get your will from.
Ihuriro ryetongorezibwaho mu rurembo rwa Mbarara kandi abishiki barikuhika 12 nabo bagyetabiremu.
Miss Tourism Ankole okutwagamba n'ebyo mu district 13 za Ankole neguma netayira mu district yona kugira ngu egere ebintu ebyaye byo hamwe ebyebira kugira ngo abantu bagake kumamba kumanya. So ahabo omwaka aba tourism and Uganda Tourism Board na body zone zikutwara ebyoburambuzi so bagize ahabwe kitakwasa kureta Isiolo ekagaruka hamapu.
Abantu bija kutwarwa mu bootcamp ku rw'Ebiri 18 kwikebera 25 by'okwezi kwa mushanju omwaka ogu eibarara gye barikuzomuza akamaririzo.
And use it to create digital campaigns that advocate for our culture, that showcase our culture, making the people that have not yet visited our country fall in love with the country before they even visit.
Empaka za Miss Tourism zikatandikwaho wabirara Minisitiri w'ebyoburambuzi Maria Mutagambo mu mwaka gw'2013 n'ekigendererwa cyo kuha omwana w'omwishiki omugisha gw'okwetaba omu by'oburambuzi hamwe n'okurinda ebyobuhangwa hamwe n'okubanywanisa n'empabuhwezi okuruga omu mahanga gandi. Ahabwa TV West ndi Era Akiza.